Welcome back. It's the 11th of July, 2024. Daniel Parsons here. Have a short testimonial about the Gaditana superfood marine phytoplankton. Fascinating story you can read about at feelthebodydrive.com/Daniel. So this is the canister that's inside this little container. And in this canister, you've got all your green powder. It's sealed. You can read about the fascinating way that this is harvested and the way it's produced. All you need is one little scoop every morning. I suggest doing it in the morning because I have energy all day long. I put my scoop right in the middle of this organic fruit smoothie, some mango, cut up a fresh apple, fruits in season. I live in Washington State, so the wonderful tree fruits are coming in, the plums, the peaches, the pears will be later this summer, but feelthebodydrive.com/Daniel. Bye for now.